Do you want to say hi to everybody? Hey. Hello, fellow wealth builders, and welcome back to the True Financials channel. My name is Dennis, and today we are doing the house tour. All right, so this is where we normally film for our regular videos. So let's go ahead and just kind of move from this spot and kind of show you the actual house. Now, I am recording on a phone here, so I have my audio. My beautiful wife is actually the one filming me here. So you can see her fingers right there. Maybe we'll turn the camera on her. So this is going to be our living room. I don't know how much of it she's actually gotten right there. But we have our front of the house right over here. And then we have what is supposed to be a coat closet. But we live in Arizona, and coats are not really a thing here. So this is actually just kind of like our storage unit for our cleaning supplies. So over here, you're going to see we have like a vacuum, we have a broom, and then we have some like extra stuff in there as well too. So yeah, no coats needed here in Arizona. So let us know too where you're from in the comment section down below, and if you actually need coats at your house. All right, so up here next we have our TV and our entertainment unit. We typically just like to watch some movies on Netflix or some of the movies that we own. And then when we pan over on this side, you're going to see Daisy herself. And then you're also going to see where we typically film all the True Financials videos. So this is where I like to film. I try to do it in different locations here and there, so that way it's a little bit different. You saw some of that during the holiday season. And then this right over here is going to be my wife's piano. So she likes to just come on here and play some music. So it's always a lot of fun when she just kind of hops on and starts going at it. So she's awesome. Maybe we'll have her do some on a live stream one day. So there's that. One little fun thing over here for the house is I have an awesome way to tell when somebody opens the door. That is my dinosaur, and Daisy knows to come to the front door when anytime that goes off. So next up is going to be the kitchen area. This is going to be our kitchen area. If I can, I will actually post some photos of what it looked like before. My dad was actually the one that helped kind of design this. This area over here that my wife's going to pan over to. So this section over here is going to be our bar area. This actually used to be completely sealed, but we wanted to have an open concept, so we had that set up. Now the theme in the kitchen here, as you can see, is all red. That was on purpose. I kind of like that whole theme to be the same. We have red on our granite, and then my parents actually, as a housewarming gift, got me the backsplash right over there. I really love it. It really kind of goes very well with the whole kitchen area. And then also too, full disclosure, this house is not always as clean as it looks right now. I did do some extra work to make it look really nice for this video. So don't think this is how I live my life every day. It is tends to be a little bit messier than it actually shows right over here. All right, so my wife wanted me to point this out, but I do have some interesting things here on top of our fridge. This is a Coke bottle, which is funny because I actually don't even drink any soda, but my sister got this when she was in Croatia. Nobody actually spells my name with one N properly, but in Europe, that's how they do spell it. So she ended up getting me this. I've had this for years, and it just kind of hangs out here. And then I also have an In-N-Out cookie jar that I got when I used to work for In-N-Out many years ago. It's one of my favorite things up on that refrigerator there. So let's go ahead and hop over to the next area. So this is what I like to call our craft cave. Now, I've mentioned this in a video before, and somebody was a little shocked that my wife and I are willing to share a room together. So it's my office and her crafting area. So we're going to go ahead and show you this room over here. Now, there's a couple nerdy things, so I just want to be prepared. Yeah, so I'll show you guys here in just a moment. So this is going to be our room. This actually used to be my bedroom before I got married. But as you can see here, I actually just rearranged everything, not necessarily for this video, but just in general. So we have my wife's craft table over here with just some of her stuff, just some. Alrighty, so then we have over here our computer. Now, it was really awesome. My sister actually was able to get a hold of a couple monitors. So I actually just got these monitors a couple of weeks ago, and I have this as my office space. Now, you might have seen in a live stream or two so far where this is my new setup for that. And I really enjoy it. I like the smaller spaces. I'm almost anti-claustrophobic. I don't know if there's a real word for that or not. We have some stuff on that board. I have my dream car, which is a Tesla that I'm going to have one day, having that visual, and then our vision board right over there to the right of that. And then as we keep going around, you're going to see over here, I have a lot of packages and bubble wrap. This is for when I used to sell a lot of stuff on eBay, and I still plan on doing more later down the road. But you'll see here, I just save boxes from when we get something from Amazon, so that way we don't have to actually pay for those boxes. And that's going to save us a lot of money and be able to sell things at a lower cost. So this is the nerdy stuff. I used to be really into video games. I have a lot of things from Disney, from Nintendo, but over time I've kind of been selling a lot of that stuff, condensing it. So this is a very small portion of what used to be here. My wife can attest to that, and she's probably a little happy with a little bit less of it hanging around. All right, and then I'm also a huge Disney nerd with my wife. So we have a ton of Disney movies. We actually started switching over to digital because we're kind of being more minimalist when possible. But give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoy Disney movies, and let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite Disney movie as well? So we're gonna hop over here. My wife's gonna just kind of walk in there. This is her rest of her crafting stuff. So that's kind of all over the place because we don't really have shelving in here. So we kind of made do with what we have.
Don't judge me.
So yeah, this is gonna just be some of that stuff right there. We have a hammock that we still have to put up too, so maybe one day. Alrighty, and then so we're going to move over here. So this bedroom actually used to be a garage, and as I mentioned earlier, that my dad was actually the one that helped me kind of put some stuff together when it came to this house. So he actually helped design this. So again, this used to be a garage, and now it's an additional bathroom. This is now an additional bedroom and bathroom. So this bathroom never existed before. The shower was a design that my dad did. I personally really like it. I think it's a really unique and different design from most different places.
It's very big.
Yeah, and right over here too, you're gonna see we have a green granite countertop for the sink area, which I really like. Kind of matches with the cabinets out in the kitchen area, so there's a kind of theme going around. Also too, over here in the corner, you're going to see we have some sand and some seashells on there. This is from Mexico, and we have something else in our other bathroom. We have something else in our other bathroom, and I'll show you guys that here in just a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other side of the house. Before we head outside, we should probably do that sooner, I guess, because it's starting to get a little dark, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead here. So we're gonna go ahead here in the hallway. We have a little cabinet here that houses some of our toilet paper, our batteries, and just a couple other little things. We have some like board games as well. So this is the second bedroom. This is our guest bedroom over here. So the really cool thing is this was some stuff from my old room and my wife's old room that we kind of put together, and it worked out really well.
All the colorful stuff came from me.
So right over here, this is our bookshelf. As you can kind of see, once my wife zooms in a little bit closer, we have kind of a Harry Potter theme going on. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are Team Potter, so that way my wife can get very excited to know that there are many other nerds, which I know she knows that, but she is definitely a big one. She made me do a marathon of the movie when we first started dating, or the movies, I should say. So yeah, so then we have a closet right over there. You can probably see my wife in the mirror, unless she strategically just moves around so she doesn't get seen. All right, so again, that's the guest bedroom. And right over here, this is going to be our bathroom, our main bathroom that we use. So it's kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, same kind of granite that we had in the other guest bedroom or guest bathroom. And as I mentioned earlier, we had some sand over in the other bathroom. This one is actually from Croatia, and most of the rocks here are also from the Croatia beach. All right, so next up is going to be our master bedroom. So let's go. So over here, as you can see, Daisy just decided to join us. She has her toy, which I'm going to take away for just a moment, but she is infatuated with this toy. This bedroom was actually the guest bedroom when my wife and I got married, but we decided to move into this room, painted the room entirely, and then had the gray and yellow theme to go together. Oddly enough, it was actually me that decided to go with the yellow. So Daisy loves being on the bed. Does everybody? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Hi. So of course, if you're not too familiar with this channel, Daisy is our channel mascot. Hi, Daisy.
She's the star of the show.
She definitely is. All right. All right, so yeah, we have our nightstand over there. We have, technically, this couch footing should be towards the front of the bed, but the way the room works, we kind of just had it placed underneath the windowsill. Windowsill. Is that what it's called? Windowsill? Alrighty, so then we have the rest of the bedroom over here. And then we also have our walk-in closet that my wife loves. I'm not going to show it too much because there's clothes all over the place in there. All right, so let's go ahead and show you the backyard now. Now, I mentioned in previous videos as well that I got this house when I was 22 years old. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will link that up above in the cards so you can check that out after this video is complete. And then also too, as I mentioned earlier, don't forget to hit that like button, especially if you are a big fan of Daisy, because she loves it when you guys hit that like button. All right, so this is our backyard. It is not 100% complete yet, so we are going to continue to go ahead and work on it. But you're going to see what we have right over here is our patio area. We have a gazebo with our twinkly lights and a fire pit as well. So we also have a grill that my wife got me about 2-3 years ago. It is awesome. We like to cook a lot here in the household. As you guys probably know, we do most of our eating from just grocery hauls instead of actually going out to eat. So we try to do some really fun stuff, especially when we can on the grill. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and show you the laundry room. Now we did have to move the laundry room outside when we added the additional bedroom and bathroom, but definitely worth it because of course it adds a lot more value to the home. So this is going to be our laundry room. We have, of course, the washer and the dryer, and then we have all of our laundry detergents and softeners up above there, including our water here in here as well. So that is going to be our backyard for the most part. We do have a shack on the left side there. And then we have our wind chime. Oh yeah, you can go ahead and show. So it's a pretty big backyard. As I mentioned, we still have some work that we got to get done. Hopefully over time, we can get that all completed so this can be a fully functioning backyard. All right, so just some small pieces of information about this house. This was built in the early 1980s. It originally had a living space of about 900 square feet. Once I moved in 2011, we did some remodeling and we converted this into a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house and bumped up the living space to about 1,200 square feet. And this house is also in the northern part of the Phoenix metro area. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions or if you enjoyed anything here in the house tour. So if you are new to this channel, we do love to talk a lot about personal finance, investing, and retirement to help build your wealth. So definitely consider subscribing today. And do not forget to hit that little bell icon to get notifications when new videos and live streams go up. All right, thank you so much, fellow wealth builders, for watching, and have a great day. All right, if you made it to the end of this video and like to continue binge watching, the top video is going to be the newest release, and then the bottom video is going to be the one that YouTube recommends for you if you'd like to continue watching.